Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have something really special. We have some North Korean rations. Now, I got these from a secret source. I can't really disclose who I got them from or any specific stuff. The person I got them from did say that this person was a soldier in North Korea and they might have escaped and had some problems, but yeah, I'm glad to have these. They're in really rough shape, and yeah, let's get on with the review. Alrighty then, let's have a close look at it. As you can see, it comes in this cardboard box, and we have some Korean writing. I'm not sure what that says. I'll hit it with the translator and put the little box right here. And here we have a rope holding it shut, nice and secured. It looks really dirty and old, and there's some loose stuff in there. Not sure what that is, but it looks kind of weird. Maybe something spilled. And we have a couple of holes. Looks like something went right through it. Very neat packaging, kind of like it. This ration's a little bit on the lighter side. It's not very heavy, maybe about a pound, less than a pound. And yeah, something's definitely loose, so yeah, let's get it open. All right, let's get this thing opened up. We'll use our trusty MoRE knife, and we'll just cut this rope. There we go, and we're in. You can see that hole went right through. All right, so let's see what we have. I'm not sure what that is. I guess that's heating instructions. Very nice. All right, and we have the menu. Yeah, I can't read that. Let's read the translator. It appears to be some kind of chicken meal or entree. So yeah, very nice. We have a small package and some kind of leaf, could be tea. All right. And here we have another tea, so you get two of them. Very nice. And here we have a mystery package. Not sure what that is. I guess we'll find out. Here we have another package. It feels like some kind of powder. We'll check that out. All right, let's see what else we got. And it looks like we have some type of cookie or bread. Feels a little bit soft. All right. And we have the same heating instructions. And this one appears to be some kind of shrimp entree. Again, I'll just translate that for you guys. And yeah, feels pretty good. All right, and we have some chopsticks. Very neat. I like that. You get a couple of napkins or toilet paper. All right, so you get a couple of matches, brown tip. I'm not sure how to strike these. We get two little sticks. Not sure what they are, maybe toothpicks. And we have a bunch of loose rice. I'm not sure what's going on with that. But yeah, I'll get this cleaned up and that's it. All right, so here we have all the contents. Everything looks like it's in amazing shape, which is very surprising. So yeah, we have the two main entrees, the chicken and shrimp, some type of cookies or bread, napkins, mystery package, two chopsticks, some tea bags, toothpicks and matches, some kind of mountain, I don't know, powder, and some white rice. So yeah, let's get this stuff plated up and try it out. All right, let's heat up some water. All right, let's check out this mountain powder or drink, whatever this is. Yeah, not sure what that says, but you can clearly see the mountains. All right, let's open it up. Got a tear notch. And there we have it. It looks a little bit weird. Alright, I guess we'll put it in a cup. Yeah, I'm not too sure about this one. I guess we'll prepare it and see what it looks like. Give it a quick stir. Yeah, it's got a ton of floaties on there. It's got a brownish color to it. Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, I'm not too sure about this one. Should have tried that. All right, it looks like our water is boiling. Let's check out the tea. And here we have the tea. See if there's any tear notches. A little slit right there. Let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. And there you have it. Let's get it in the cup. Yeah, that looks somewhat weird. Let's give it a nice stir. It does have a nice smell to it. I'll give it that. Alright, so we'll let that cool down for a few minutes. Let's move on. Alright, let's warm up the main entrees. Alright, and we'll heat this stuff up and use these directions. I guess this says to boil it, open it up, and then eat. Very simple. Let's do that. These pouches have a nice gusset at the bottom, so they can stand up. Same with the shrimp. Alright, let's check out the other components. Alright, let's check out these cookies. Yeah, that is very interesting. Let's get a nice cross section. Yeah, it still looks edible, looks really good. Looks nice and fresh, so. Alright, so let's try it out. Yeah, that is actually pretty good. It's got a nice yeasty and sweet taste to it. Yeah, that's a really good snack. I like it. Let's try out the tea. Here's a nice close-up of it. Let's try it. Yeah, that's not a bad tea. It's a little bit on the bland side. It could use some sugar, but yeah, it's decent. All right, so here we have the rice. I'm not sure what to do with it. It's not cooked or anything, so I guess we'll prepare it off camera and we'll be back. And here we have the mystery package. See what it is. A slit. And there you have it. Let's see what it is. And it looks like we have some kind of seaweed and other spices. Not sure what that is. Maybe this is supposed to go with the rice, so I'll just cook this with the rice, and yeah. And it looks like the rice is ready. Let's get it onto our bowl or mess kit. All right, let's have a close look. There you can see the rice, you can see the seaweed and seasonings. Yeah, it's piping hot. Let's try it out. There we have a nice close-up. Let's try it. Yeah, I could definitely taste the seaweed. It's obviously rice. There's definitely some sesame seeds in there, and yeah, it's pretty good. It's decent. Let's have another bite of this. This thing is really good. Right, I think our main entrees are ready. Let's get them out. All right, let's check out the shrimp entree. Yeah, it's nice and hot. Let's open it up, the turn notch. And there we have the shrimp. Not sure if you guys can see that. Yeah, it smells pretty good. It smells like butter. Yeah, those shrimps look really good. I've never seen anything like that in a ration, so really excited to try it. It looks like the shrimp still has the shell on it, so we'll remove that. Let's just try them out. Let's give you a nice close-up. And there you have the shrimp. It still has the shell, so let's remove that and then we'll try it out. Yeah, it's a little messy, but yeah, let's try it. Oh wow, that shrimp is excellent. Nice buttery flavor to it. The seasoning spot on, nothing wrong with it. Yeah, it appears to be edible. Hope I don't get sick, but yeah, well worth it. Let's have a look at the chicken. And there we have it. Let's open it up. It's a little bit wet. Just use our knife. Wow, look at that. We have some what appears to be fried chicken. Let's get it out. Wow, look at that. It's actually fried chicken. Let's place it over our rice. And it looks like you get a drumstick and a wing. It's very nice. That's it. Yeah, this chicken looks really good. You can see it's nice and fried. I wasn't expecting this from a North Korean ration. I'm extremely surprised, but yeah, let's try it. Yeah, that chicken is excellent, nice and crunchy. The meat is very succulent, very juicy. I gotta say, by far, this is one of the best rations I've ever had, hands down, and came all the way from North Korea. So yeah, very surprising. And what else can I say? Yeah, I have to get another bite of this. It's really good. Wow. Alright guys, that was the North Korean ration, and I must say this ration was amazing. One of the best, if not the best I've ever had, and I have to give it to the people of North Korea. They did an excellent job. Everything was amazing. Everything was top notch, still edible. I have no idea how old this ration is, but everything was really good, except for this mountain drink thing. I'm not sure what's up with that. That was really weird. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave me a like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Yeah, hope you guys join me for the next review. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.